Hey guys, it's Stacia Samaya, not Stacia Samaya, and we're back with another video. Hey, how you doing? Yes, I'm on a roll. You can tell by the title is that this is a 90s hair tutorial. I've been seeing the little pictures going around on Twitter and I started getting a little inspired. You know, Cardi B dropped that video and I was like, I always wanted to try this style out. So basically what I'll be doing is 3 different hairstyles that you could do to achieve like these 90s flips. Like everybody is wearing these flips, child. Like these flips been coming back. Yeah, this video was very highly requested. Keep in mind this is not a finished look of anything. I took my hair out the ponytail and this is just how it came out because I had flips in yesterday. But this video was very highly requested from these posts that I posted on my Instagram. People was messing with it, so I'm like, okay, if y'all watching this, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because you know the posts do be popping. But yeah, so I'm gonna just get into the tutorial. What I already did was parted my wig on the side because all of these looks will be side parts. So I'm gonna start from the simplest look to the hardest look. So first we're gonna start with the flips, even though these aren't, child, these aren't the flips that I'm talking about. So what you're gonna need to do, you can do this on your natural hair, you can do this on a wig. I'm doing it on a wig because I do not straighten my natural hair, as many know. But what you're gonna need is a comb just to section your hair in the front. Oh, and I did my side part like before I started recording. So just gonna push that hair to the back. It's already looking popping, like, and you're gonna comb this hair to the front like that. So after you comb that to the front, so after you comb that hair into the front, you're just gonna want to flatten it down and just swoop it over, like how you push your hair out your face. That's all you do. And I like to leave some of my like edges out, so I'm gonna just leave that part out and I'm gonna tuck it behind my ear. Pull my ear out. This is when you take a bobby pin and just hold the hair that you just swooped back into place, just like that. So we already get in there. You already see where this is going because I already had flips in my hair. Like I said earlier, this is not fresh hair. So when you straighten your piece of hair, you have to curl upwards. It's literally the complete opposite of putting like regular curls in your hair. You just curl up instead of down. Then you get that cute little flip. So that I won't confuse myself, I'm just going to put this section of my hair that I didn't curl yet into a little bun. I'm going to take this part, and what you're going to want to do is just curl upward. Like curl, like twist the flat iron and curl upward. Boom. This is the curl that you're going to want. A curl just like that just curls upward, really cute. Then what you're going to do is just continue that curling upward process, and you're just going to curl it upwards again, like the same exact step. You're going to take your flat iron and flip it upwards again. So now after you curl both sides, I like to do is take the little bit that I left out that could be considered the edges or the sideburn or whatever, like the ending piece, and curl it. So don't mind me if my wig flipping up, y'all. This wig is about to get washed. Stick her right down. But yeah, I just curl it a little bit. And then boom, just like that, you got this cute vintage hairstyle. So now I'm going to teach y'all how to do the one with the ponytails. Basically what you want to do with the next hairstyle, the 2 ponytails, they're the same exact style but with a half up and half down, which happens to be 2 ponytails. So what I typically do is take one section of the hair that I got. I honestly just put it in 2 ponytails. Once you get to this point, what you're going to want to do is recurl it because it went in like a whole different direction. And what you can do, depending on you, you can take like a piece of hair from the ponytail and you could just wrap it around if you don't want to show the scrunchies. I personally don't mind showing my scrunchies, so that's just me. So what I'm going to do is just comb this out. Curl it upward. the other hairstyle. If you wanted to lay flatter, which like I would recommend because this look kind of crazy, is that you could stick 2 bobby pins right there and have them like sit on there for a little bit, and then it will flatten out. So then when you release the bobby pins, like it will be tighter together like that. But if you don't want to do the bobby pins, you could lay a scarf on it just to lay it flat so it could like lay down like that. You feel me? But basically, you do the next hairstyle would be to actually take it from this position and just pin it just like that. So I was kind of playing around with mine, so it had like this weird, like it was cute, but it was like a different effect that it had. So what I'm actually going to do is put out quite a few bobby pins. I took the hair, right, and I just went to the middle of it and I pinned it behind the ponytail. Then I took another bobby pin for that ending piece and I pinned it right next to the ponytail. So then you kind of have something like this, right? So I'm gonna do this to the other side. You can leave it like this if you choose to, but I'm gonna show you how like I made it look like it was a, like, I don't know what to call it, like a connected bun, kind of like a bow bun. But I'm gonna do the same to the other side. So like I said, you could leave it like this if you want to, but I want to try to go for the style that I had the other day. So I just like played with the bun itself. You kind of want to separate it like that, and you want to pin it so it like it looks like 2 separate pieces. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is just take that piece that's hanging out and I'm gonna just flip it over with my my flat irons. Everything for this video is really a simple look. Like, it's so simple. All you need is like 3 different things to achieve this style. Let me know if y'all want me to do more classic hairstyles, because I could definitely put that out. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because you'll get more content like this. And you know, we all baddies here, so I gotta show y'all the baddie way, period. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.